Hi, I'll discuss power with negative exponent in this class. So we know 10 square is equal to 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. 10 raised to the power 1 is equal to 10. 10 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So what is 10 raised to the power minus 1? So let's discuss how to calculate 10 raised to the power minus 1. So we can write 10 raised to the power minus 1 as 10 raised to the power 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. Or we can write, as we know, if we have exponent with same base, so we'll have to divide it, we can minus the exponent of denominator from the numerator. So we can write 10 raised to power 1 divided by 10 raised to power 2. Then we can cut 10 with 1 10, so remaining is 1 divided by 10. So 10 raised to power minus 1 is 1 divided by 10. So similarly 10 raised to power minus 2 will be 1 divided by 10 multiplied by 1 divided by 10, or is equal to 1 divided by 100, or 1 divided by 10 raised to the power 2. Similarly 10 raised to the power 3 is equal to 1 divided by 10 multiplied by 1 divided by 10 multiplied by 1 divided by 10, which is 1 divided by 10 raised to the power 3. So we can say a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to the power m. So let's take some examples. Let's try to solve 2 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 4. So as we discussed, we can simply add these two numbers, but let's firstly try to convert them into positive and then see like what happens. So we can write 2 raised to the power minus 3 as 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. We can write 2 raised to the power minus 4 as 1 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 2 raised to the power 4. So if we multiply these 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 3 multiply by 1 by 2 raised to the power 4, so we can write 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Or if we again change it, so we can write 2 raised to the power minus 7. Or we can directly add minus 3 minus 4 will be minus 7. So we can write 2 raised to the power minus 7 directly. So let's take another example. 5 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power minus 5 raised to the power 5. So we can write this like 5 raised to the power 5 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Or we can write directly 5 raised to the power minus 3 plus 5, which will be 5 minus 3 will be 2. So 5 raised to the power 2. Let's take one more example with negative base. So minus 3 raised to the power 3 multiplied by minus 3 raised to the power minus 4 will be minus 3 raised to the power minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 will be minus 7. So the ultimate number will be minus 3 minus 3 raised to the power minus 7.